Before you begin, unpack the wind deflectors from the packaging. If you have ordered for a 4 or 5 door vehicle, then you will have 4 wind deflectors to install. If you have a 2 or 3 door vehicle, then you will have 2 wind deflectors to install. To get started, remove the plastic bag and unpeel all the stickers. Then position the wind deflector as shown in the video demo. Grasp the deflector firmly on both sides, then slowly push it upwards into the slots until it is securely locked in place. The next step is to take 2 metal clips with the open part facing downwards and push them in between the slots on either side to lock in the deflector. Continue this process for each window until all the deflectors are installed. The final step is to wipe down the deflectors with a window cleaning spray to remove any fingerprints. Now you have successfully installed Haibak wind deflectors.